In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make $500 every single month by creating really simple logos. What is going on, guys? The Cash Creator is back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make $500 or pounds every single month by some really simple logo designs. You don't need any graphic designing or logo designing experience at all. It's a really quick method. It won't take much of your time, so let's get right into it. The website we're going to be using to advertise our logo services on is called Fiverr.com. Alright, so in a previous video I've showed you guys how you can make $100 every 10 minutes by using a free tool that can create short video ads, but that's not what we're going to be doing today. You could search that if you want. Today I'm teaching you guys how to make money, approximately $500 every month, by some really simple logo designs. Alright, so just to show you guys the potential, the amount of money in this business, I'm going to click this guy over here. He claims he's going to design an outstanding logo for us. These are the kind of logos he makes. Okay, that's some of the logos he makes, as you can see. Alright, and the pricing is £4 or $5. Alright, so the next thing we're going to be doing is going to the review section, and as you can see, 37,259 people have already bought his product as verified buyers. Okay, so if you do the maths, okay, 37,259 multiplied by £4, or $5, so 37,259 multiplied by £4 is 149,036. Alright, and in dollars, he's selling them for $5 or £4, $186,295. Okay, so that's the great potential, the great amount of money that you guys can make, alright, by creating these logo designs and advertising them on Fiverr. Alright, so how can you guys do it? Now I've shown you guys the potential of it. I'm going to show you guys the tool that I use to create logo designs. It's a free tool. It's called tailorbrands.com. It's a website. All you have to do, it doesn't take long, less than 5 minutes, is put in your, the name of your logo. I'm going to put Cash Creator. Alright, and you can have a tagline as well if you want, but I'm not going to have one. Alright, the next thing, all you have to do is you tell them about your business, and then you choose the kind of fonts that you want. Alright, so our industry is money, because I show you guys how to make money. Alright, there we are, and make money online. Simple. Alright, next you can choose icon based, name based, or initial based. For example, initial based, we could have like a CK for Cash Creator, but maybe Calvin Klein will sue me, I don't know. Alright, so icon based, that's what I'm going to choose. Alright, I'm going to choose an icon, and I'm going to search for a money icon. There's many different icons. For example, you can have a football icon if a client, a football club or something wanted to buy your services, or anything. Alright, but I'm going to choose money. Alright, and I'm going to choose this logo over here because I like it. Alright, that's our icon. Alright, and then all you do next is you choose the kind of font suits your logo better. Okay, I'm not a fan of that fancy stuff, so I'm going to keep choosing these ones. Yeah, I like that one. Alright, okay, I didn't choose any of the fancy ones, and then a logo is going to be created for us. Alright, and then the next thing you do is, for example, if I was your client, I come to you on Fiverr as the Cash Creator, and I want you guys to make a logo for me. You just create a logo and then you send it back to me. Alright, so this is the logo that's created, and we can edit it however we want. Alright, we can choose all, from more and more logos. I like the look of that one. That's a nice logo. I really like that one. Alright, yeah, it's a beautiful logo. Alright, so that's just an example, and then what you do is you can customize it if you want. Alright, you can change the color of everything, you can change the font, you can change the layout, you can change whatever you like. But basically, once you're happy with the logo, all you do is you click on this button over here, and it downloads. Alright, You know, now tell me, you guys, you know, if you offered me, you know, your services to create a logo and you charged me £10 for that logo, I'd pay it to you guys because it's a beautiful logo. I like the look of it. It looks professional. It looks clean. I like that logo. So if you guys created that for me, I'd happily pay you £10 or $10 or whatever currency. Okay, so there you are. I've downloaded the logo, and I'm going to show it to you guys really quickly. It's saved here. I'm going to open it with Windows Photo Viewer, and voila, as you can see, our logo has been saved. Okay, so all you do now is you send it back to the client and then they pay you. Alright, it's that simple. It didn't take long at all. You saw how long it took, less than 5 minutes. And you know, if you get those clients, and you can make that £500 a month or dollars really easily. Okay, because as you saw on Fiverr, you know, that individual had over 37,000 verified buyers. So if he can have that, why can't you guys get 100 people to buy your logo in a month? Of course you can. It won't take you long at all. 100 people is a £500. Okay, if you're charging your services for £5. All right. So it's an incredible way to make money. It's really powerful. It doesn't take much of your time at all. Just advertise your services on Fiverr. You know, when someone wants a logo, it takes you minutes, like that. Quick turnaround, quick profit. It's a great tool. Please don't forget, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe if you already haven't. Peace out, guys. Take it easy. The Cash Creator is signing off. Take it easy.